I'm going to talk to you now about a product called the Fabric Booster. It's a no-mess product that we have developed to stiffen fabrics, without having to wait for it to dry. Watch the procedure. We take a fabric, quite simple, a cotton fabric. I'm going to spray it with the Fabric Booster. I'm spraying it. Now, I don't have to wait for it to air dry, which could take between 1 hour or 2. I will be able, without parchment paper, to simply iron it dry. I protect it with my paper. I iron it, and in about 20 seconds the fabric will be completely dry. I will be able to use it like a paper, like a stiffened cloth. This has the advantage of avoiding fraying when I cut. Now, I can either put it on an automatic scan and cut, die, cutting machine, cameo, silhouette, circuit, etc. Or I can use it as a paper. Or I'll make my own applique piece very simply and easily. I'm going to make a little heart. You'll forgive me for the irregularity of the cutting. I made my little heart that I cut out without any problem. Now, I can apply it with my glue or sew it directly on another fabric. It's as simple as that.